Hello everyone, this get ready with me part of this video was actually shot in advance for my 3-in-1 hijab style video. But upon returning from school, I figured I had enough clips on my phone to actually, make a video and put out here. Those clips were actually taken in school to store in my folder, my work folder on Google Drive. Yes, I have a work folder where I store work related pictures, videos, and what have you. Should we title it A Day in My Life as a Teacher or A Day in the Classroom? I don't know. Caption it yourself. Anyway, let's go.
My name is Haritha. I am regular but uncommon. I am the first and last of my kind. I am one of Allah's countless blessings to this generation. Welcome to Haritha Online. Peace unto you.
If I should ever leave this life, then this is my goodbye. No, I will always love you, and I won't ever leave your side.
Don't you have to change your glass? Someone said he wanted to carry. I say you want to go and cover it. Sleep for next week. Yes. Don't love it.
Please know that I did my best, and I've been nothing but blessed. I pray that we meet again in our new address. Oh yes, in heaven, with you every second. In the So take this moment to remember all the good times. Remember all my love. Remember every single one of my heart.
Okay, now I'm going deeper into asking some questions. If you know it, you just come here and give a candy. Okay? So that is it. You know the answers to the question. Using the classroom, for example, the classroom as a sample, in relation to computer system, what is the operating system of the class? This class, what is the operating system of this class? Answer. It's not for it. You all agree? If you disagree, let me see your hands up. If you agree, let me see your hands. If you agree with that. Yes, the skip. The operating system, you're welcome. The operating system, which is the topic for today, is responsible. It's like a suite of programs. Which one is the software and what? Code of instructions that tells the computer what to do, when to do, and how to do tasks. Now, an operating system is an example of software. True or false? True? True. Yes. So it is also a suite of programs and instruction codes. Okay? It's also a set of programs that controls the operation of the computer and programs. Okay? This operating system controls the operation of the what computer hardware. We know that software and hardware work together, right? But there are some parts of hardware that if they don't exist in the computer system, the computer system will still function. Do you agree? Do you agree?
Remember me in your prayers. Be brave and don't be scared. We'll meet again one day, 'cause it's not the end. If I go, I just want you to know it was a blessing to see you grow. You are the answers I prayed for when I was alone. You're my hope. your tears and don't you cry. I pray you have a beautiful life. Your heart will keep me alive until the next time we meet in heaven. With you every second, in the prophet's presence. So take this.
What my teacher said over 10 years ago. So that's it. Anything you are doing at any point in time, right? Just give it your best. Say,
Remember all the good times. Remember all my love. Remember every single